good. Thank you.
Okay, we're on the air. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, example number 2. We're gonna continue on with the solving systems of equation. When we have systems of equation, there's gonna be 2 or more equations going on at the same time. Yesterday we managed to do example 1, so today we're gonna just do examples 2 and 3. So the very first thing that you do is to enter, so find the possible meeting points if one boat is traveling in this equation, this direction, and then the second boat is traveling according to this equation. So let's enter those values or those equations in. So now that you, please make sure that you enter it very, correctly, right? And then press graph. Press graph. Okay. When you have that graph in front of you, take a look. How many points of intersection does that graph have?
5.
How many points of intersection does that have?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, no, intersection. Not the intercepts. Not the intercepts, but the intersection.
4. 3.
Okay, now that's way too many. One is going like this, and one is going like this. So how many points, where do they intersect? Where do they cross each other? Yeah, there's 1 and 2, only 2. Only 2. Okay, we're not counting the x-intercepts where they intersect, right? Just the lines. So we look at where do they intersect. So if one boat is going this way and then the other boat is possibly traveling this way, where are their possible points? Yeah.
Does it matter which type those equations are?
Yeah, you can do this as your y1 and this is your y2, doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, so you have 2 points of intersection. So 2 points of intersection. Okay, and that's what we're trying to find. What are the intersection points? Okay, so how do we find the intersection? Now I see 1 right here, and I don't see the 1 up there. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to adjust our window so that we can see them. So what do you think we should adjust the window to? Y max, right? Yeah, so Y max. So, what do you think we should put in there? Right now, our Y max is 10.
I did 50.
You did 50? Okay, let's just try 50. Just, okay. There you go. Oh, now this is very clear. You can see that there's 1 intersection there, and then there's 1 over there. Okay. So those are where are their crash, the crash points. So how can we figure out their intersection? How do you find the intersection? Second trace. 5. Okay, now they're gonna ask you for the first curve. Yes, press enter. Second curve, press enter, and then press enter again. So the first point of intersection down here is at negative 1.19, comma, negative 3.14. So that's the coordinate of where they're gonna intersect, where they're gonna meet. Okay. Now we gotta do the other one. We have to do the other one as well. So let's do that. Second function trace again. And we're gonna go to intersect, press 5. Now if we keep pressing enter, 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 and this one, it's gonna just get stuck to that same point of intersection. So we have to tell our calculator, I don't want that one, I want this one. So what are you gonna do? You move the cursor. You move the cursor closer to that particular point. You move that cursor to that particular point. Okay? So you want that intersection. Is this my first curve? Yeah, it still is. So press enter. And then this is my second curve, yes. And then press enter again. Can you see it's a question? So we're responding to that, press enter again. So the other point of intersection is 2.52, comma, 19.14. Okay, so these are the points of intersection. That one that's a coordinate for that one, and then this is the coordinate for that one. Okay, good. Now let's take a look at example number 3. Okay, when you're starting a new question, just clear everything off. Okay, so go ahead and clear off and then enter this in y1 and y2. Go ahead and do that. This one? This one? It's x minus 5, minus. Did you reset the calculator? You said it? Okay, so when you look at those two lines, or two parabola, this is what I got. Is there going to be a point of intersection there? Okay, so one parabola goes this way, and then the other parabola goes this way. Are there any point of intersection? Will they ever cross? No. So no. Oops. So in this case, no points of intersection. So therefore, no solution. Okay. Is that good? No solution. Did you get that same picture?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So no solution, no intersection. Okay, that's it. That was easy. That's like probably the shortest lesson ever. 10 minutes.